Hello, I'm here to present to you a seed treater METRA STM 120. This machine is designed for treating seeds for small farms and is capable of treating up to 120 bushels per hour of wheat. During the seed treating process, the grain comes through this bunker. It is mixed with the solution in the auger and comes out through this bi-directional spout. The direction can be changed with this lever from one side to the other, so the farmer can easily switch between the seed working bags. The solution for treating seeds is mixed in this tank. The water and the chemicals are poured through this filter, and inside there is a magnetic mixer which mixes the chemicals together. Control of the machine is done through this panel. It must be turned off via this switch. Then you need to wait a few seconds for the frequency modulator to initialize, and the machine is ready to go. Here you can see two switches. The first one turns on the auger and the dosing pump. The second turns on the magnetic mixer in the tank. The dispensing of the chemicals is done by this dosing pump. On the display, you can see the flow of the liquid in gallons per minute. The frequency inverter is not configurable and is set to 50 Hz. There is also an emergency switch. At the beginning of work, you need to mix the chemicals with water in the tank, so you have to pour in the correct amount of water and chemicals that you want to use. After that, you need to turn on the mixer so they will be mixed properly. On the back side of the bunker, you can see a lookup table that shows the productivity at each shutter position and how much liquid needs to be dispensed for treating the seed. After you look in the table, you need to set the shutter to the position that you prefer to work in, and set the correct amount of liquid per minute for treating the amount of seed that you plan to treat per hour. After you've done all that, you can turn on the machine just by switching this switch. You can hear the auger start to work and see that the dosing pump is also spinning. So you just need to continue pouring the seed into this bunker and watch when the bag of the treated seed is full, then switch to the other side. For correct operation of the seed treater and precise chemical dispensing, you need to calibrate the dosing pump. Here's how it's done. First, you need to turn the pump off by pressing the red switch. After the display shows off, you need to press and hold the minus switch, and then briefly press the on switch again. Now you're in the menu of the dosing pump. First, you need to set the units. If you want to use the pump in the metric system, you need to find the unit option and set it to euro. After this, the pump will show its output in liters per minute. If you want to use gallons per minute, you need to select USA. Press enter. OK. To calibrate the dosing pump, you need to select the option P100, then press the red button. Here you can see the label dose and some digits. You need to set the correct amount of liquid per minute that it should dispense during operation. So for example, if I want to use 0.15 gallons per minute, I set it here. After I press the red button, the dosing pump will do exactly 100 rotations. So before this, you need to make sure the liquid is already inside this housing. Put the measuring cup here, turn the valve to this position, and press the red button. So the dosing pump is doing 100 revolutions and counting them. I'm going to turn it off now. After it's done, you need to check how much liquid the dosing pump dispensed, and enter that amount on this screen. For example, if it was 0.28 gallons, you just enter this correct amount. OK. and you need to set the exact amount the dosing pump dispensed and press the red button.